In front of me is POCO M7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. To use voice typing, you need to launch your keyboard and make sure you have both suggestion strip at the top of it and microphone icon at the top right corner. If you don't, go into Devices Settings. Then scroll all the way down to click on Additional Settings. Select Languages and Input. Manage Keyboards and Keyboard. Now you can finally click on Text Correction and use Gray Switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. Then go back, click on Voice Typing and tap on Gray Switcher next to Use Voice Typing to activate it as well. When you're done with all of that, open your keyboard again. Finally, hit microphone icon at the top right corner. Select while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or click on the same microphone icon. But you can also tap on microphone icon and then click on tiny icon right next to it. Then hit next and select done. Now you can operate voice typing from this toolbar. To move it around, hold it and drag it. Then let go. If you want to delete text on the go, use this button with an X on the right. If you want to manage settings, click on those three lines at the bottom left corner and operate all of those options in the pop-up. To access settings of voice typing, click on them at the top. And for example, activate this feature, faster voice typing, to enable or disable it. To go back to standard keyboard, use this keyboard icon, also on the left. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!